In this video I'll show you my 3D printed background panels, which I specifically designed to be modular, lightweight and sturdy. These panels are perfect as a backdrop for my videos. My inspiration came from wooden wall panels like these. I wanted to create something similar, but fully 3D printed. Since I needed large panels for my videos, I designed a modular system that's easy to scale. The basic shape I designed is a triangle. This shape allows me to print efficiently with minimal filament use. The angle of the chamfer was specifically chosen so that I wouldn't need any infill inside the figure. I kept fine-tuning the printer settings because I wanted to use as little filament as possible, since I would be printing over 800 triangles. Each triangle has printed threads, allowing me to screw in specially designed bolts. With those bolts I attach the shapes to printed plates. I need as many bolts as triangles, so I print these bolts hollow, making each one weigh just 1.13 grams. After printing a huge number of triangles, bolts and plates, here are all the printed parts that I'll now assemble. I printed plates that are 210 at 210 mm and each plate fits 49 triangles. The panels are available in different sizes, ranging from 90 at 90 mm to 480 at 480 mm. I created connecting pieces for joining 2, 3 and 4 plates together. I also made a stand that allows me to place the panels vertically. These extra pieces can be mounted onto the plates with shorter bolts. Additionally, I designed hooks that can be screwed into the panels. I also created a special bolt with an M4 threaded insert, allowing me to attach a magnet, for example. The M4 thread opens up many more possibilities. With these modular background panels, I can visually enhance my videos, making the backdrop look much better. You can download all the files for free on MakerWorld. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.